Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study effectively psychology. Focus on active recall, spaced repetition, and interleaving from the first session to build durable memory and understanding. Start with clear goals, short focused blocks, and frequent self-testing to reveal weak areas. Use examples and mnemonics to link ideas, take regular breaks, and prioritize sleep and consistency for steady daily improvement. Begin each study session with clear objectives and a quick review to prime learning. Break material into 25 to 50-minute focused blocks, alternating topics to use interleaving and prevent boredom. Write practice tests, explain concepts aloud, and teach a peer or imaginary student to solidify knowledge. Use flashcards with spaced intervals and track progress to adjust timing. End sessions with a brief daily self-quiz to consistently cement retrieval pathways. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for setting study timers, playing white noise, or hands-free reminders to stay on task. It fits small spaces and offers clear sound for podcasts or lectures. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Use active techniques for complex theories and experiments to connect ideas and methods. Map concepts visually with simple diagrams, timelines, or concept maps to reveal relationships and causal chains. Prioritize practice testing over rereading and simulate exam conditions to reduce anxiety and improve recall. Balance studying with exercise, nutrition, and social breaks to support cognitive function. Review mistakes carefully and convert them into targeted practice points for your next session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.